Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah, my name's Cassandra.
Okay, yeah, come on in.
Okay, let's try to...
Are you good there?
Get it all in, yeah. I'm good.
Got a lot of stuff there.
Oh yeah, I've got a lot of snacks. I'm going to play some, well, actually, I'm not gonna play soccer till later, because basically I'm the best one on my team, and so they don't let me practice the entire time, because then everyone else feels insecure or whatever, because they're not as good as me, so
Can you wear your seatbelt, please?
Yeah, just give me a sec. I have to come in regular clothes, and then I have to bring my soccer
I'm not going
clothes.
to drive you unless you put on your
Okay,
seatbelt,
I'm
so.
putting it on, okay.
Yeah.
Give me a second. I just have a lot of stuff to kind of unload here. But anyways, so then I'm going to
I actually don't allow any food in my car.
You mean no eating?
No, like no food.
Well,
Like,
I mean, it's already in here, so.
okay, well, I might have to kick you out because I don't really allow food in here.
Well, I mean, I have to make it to the soccer practice. So.
Okay, just make sure you don't spill anything.
Yeah, what's going on?
I have like a no food policy.
There's nothing to spill. I mean, besides my tomato basil sauce.
Oh gosh, please don't open that in here.
Okay.
That's like
Are you sure you
my
don't wanna
car.
smell
I
it?
literally
It
just
smells
got my
really
car
good.
detailed because somebody threw up in my car last night.
That's gross.
That's why it smells bad in here. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it smells
Gotta
like
love being an Uber driver. People just throw up in your car, bring food in your car.
This smells good though.
People
It doesn't
don't
smell like
literally
throw up.
have no respect. It's
Yeah. And
a
then I have
shame.
some
All
coconut palm
your whole
sugar.
generation is just ruining America
Whole
right now.
generation. Babe,
Yeah,
we're the
you
same
young
age.
folk, you just bringing food inside of
We got
Uber's cars.
popcorn, and then we have
This is not.
pretzels. Oh yeah, I have the pasta too. I think I forgot a pan. Pot? How do you cook pasta again? In a pan or a pot?
In a pot.
Okay, in a pot.
And you,
Anyways, have you ever played soccer before?
Yo, please.
Woo!
Hey, do not do that. I'm driving.
Sorry.
Literally, you're gonna damage my
So
car.
have you played or no?
I'm gonna hit you with a
I'm
like a
forward. I
damage.
score all the goals. I'm
You can
pretty
get a
good,
damage
too.
fee if you.
Damage fee? For
That's
what?
$300 for damaging my car.
I'm not damaging
Do
your
not
car.
place.
You gotta lighten
Put
up.
the ball down.
Some physical fitness, maybe some exercise might help your endorphins.
You know what? You do not
Endorphins
care
make you
about my
happy.
car at all.
Happy
You're
people.
disrespectful as
That's
heck.
from Legally Blonde or something.
You're getting out of my car right now.
Woo.
I just canceled the ride.
Oh, have you seen people? I can't do it, but they do the thing where they're like,
Get out of my car.
I mean, could you help me with all my snacks and stuff?
Are you okay? Can you just
Yeah,
leave?
I'm fine. I just have a lot to carry. Are you okay?
You want me to help you get out of the car?
No, I want you to help me carry. I have to walk all the way down to that soccer field if you're gonna stop right here. So.
Good
should at
luck.
least help
You
me.
should have thought about that before you disrespected me and get out.
You're disrespecting me. So you should really look into that whole exercise thing. I heard that, you know, it makes you happy. And you're a little bit grouchy, so. I'm gonna go raise my endorphins with my tomato basil pasta sauce. But this is really good. It's from Trader Joe's. You should probably check it out sometime.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sorry, my bad. The ball fell. I'm a soccer player. I'm not
crazy.
I'm not good with
Get out of my car.
the other sports.